Good morning students, welcome to our physics class. So last class we discussed about Wheatstone bridge. Do you know the formula of Wheatstone bridge? Yes, P by Q equal to R by S. What is the use of Wheatstone bridge? It is used to compare the resistance and it is used to find the unknown resistance of the given circuit. Okay, today I am going to teach about meter bridge. So it is used to find the resistance of the material of a given wire and it is used to find the specific resistance of the material of the given wire. Two uses. It is the another form of Wheatstone bridge. So its formula is P by Q equal to R by S. So already we know that when the current flows through the galvanometer is 0, its formula is P by Q equal to R by S. So that Wheatstone bridge is balanced. So here it consists of three copper strips. First copper strip L shaped and the second one horizontal and the third one L shaped. So these copper strips placed on the wooden board. First end is A and another one end is B. So here C and D. So midpoint copper strip is denoted by E. So that E point is connected to jack key through galvanometer and high resistance. So last class we learned about galvanometer. Do you know the galvanometer? What is the use of galvanometer? It is used to find the end and B end. So when the EMF of a cell is switched on, current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal through this circuit. Okay, so when the EMF of a cell or Lagrange cell is switched on, current flows from positive terminal to A, then A point to B through this circuit. So at the same time galvanometer shows deflection, zero deflection. So you have to measure the balancing length L1. Then second balancing length L2. A point to G point balancing length is L1 and J to B balancing length L2. Okay, do you know the principle of meter bridge? So it works on the principles of Wheatstone bridge. So Wheatstone bridge formula is P by Q equal to R by S. What is R dash? R dash is the resistance per unit length of the wire. So R dash into AJ. What is AJ? First balancing length divided by JB. What is JB? Second balancing length L2. So note it here L1 divided by L2. The next P is equal to, what is P? This is unknown resistance. What is the aim of this experiment? It is used to find the resistance of the given wire. If you are given a copper wire, you have to measure the specific resistance of the copper wire. Suppose you are given a aluminium wire, you have to measure the specific resistance of the material of the aluminium wire. So resistance R equal to rho into L by A. What is L? Balancing length. What is A? Area. Okay. By rearranging the above equation we get rho equal to resistance into A by L. So already we know that this equation. So where P resistance that is known, A area, L balancing length and rho specific resistance. The last specific resistance of the material of the given wire rho is equal to P into pi r square divided by L. So A be the area. Area formula is pi r square. So therefore rho equal to P into pi r square divided by L. So this is the formula of meter bridge. Thank you.